Our friends from overseas who are here tonight, you're welcome to Samoa. For all our families coming home, you're welcome home. For everyone in the house, you're welcome to the Siva Afi entertainment. And this is our special number to welcome everyone in the house.
Siva
Our next number, the boy is going to perform for you. We call this one, it's a Sasa. And this is our Samoan men chasing the monsters away before the mosquito arrives. And we call that in Samoa or the Pa'ataupats or clap dance. Come on, guys, you can do better than that. Give another big hand for these boys and girls. Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You welcome to the home of the I Love Club of Samoa. This is the place we call the home of the I Love Club. I Love means like spinning. This is what we call I Love. When we put the fire on, and that's when we call I Love or fire dance. This is the place, this is a special number we like to get it for all the kids in the house. The reason why I'm saying that we're doing that every time we're doing the show, we always get it because without the kids, you will never see this place, any place like this in Samoa. Be honest with you. This is the club we formed up way back in 2002, called the I Love Club. How we started? Yeah, we started with kids selling stuff on the street. We call it street kids, street vendors, and also disadvantaged kids. And that's how we started out. I think that was a time when the UP40 was coming out really hot. Am I right? But also, we do have advantaged kids joining at the same time. And when the advantaged kids join us, that's when their parents, they've been helping us since we started way back in 2002. This year is 3-4 years since we've been doing that. And we're doing that in our international fire knife dancing competitions. Some of the members, these guys who are sitting in the corner there, they've been running around with their cameras. They are the radio Polynesians. Give them a big hand, please. And these are the advantaged kids when we first started. And this radio Polynesia, they have like 5 stations. When we first started, they joined us. And their kids, they come around and been helping us all those years long. We don't need any advertising when we're doing our things. We just give it to them and they just promote. And also helping all our promote people, they helping us. Anyway, I cut it short. I'd like to call up some young members of our club to come over and do the demonstration. But also, the other things I'd like to let you know, you can see the fire dance. Fire everywhere in the world. Now in Hawaii, in the States, now Tahiti, I think, was doing their fire dancing competition last year. Australia, anywhere. You've seen in Fiji, but we always claim fire dance is Samoan performing arts. And this is a knife. This is what we're using. The knife, I'm telling you, this is why we're using this as a fire dance, because we started from, we use it as a weapon. We kill our enemies on. Until when the Christians people, they came in, they came over, they told us what we're doing was wrong. I don't know if that's right or not. But since then, we thought we still want to keep it as a part of our cultures. So instead of using it as a, on the stage, the young members of the I Love Club. So yeah. Another big Another big hand, please. Another big hand for her. And also, there's another thing what we've been doing that all those years. When the boys doing that, when the boys and the girls they come along, we training them. We never judge them because the kids is just helping their family selling stuff on the street. Tonight, as you've seen tonight, it's all traditional Samoan performance. We only do it Samoan performance. Our next number, this one is very important to us. This is what we call, because especially when he was very young, he started up now. So he's a big man doing all these DJs everywhere. But they all know he's a part of the ILO Club. So his job to promote the kids at the moment. So give a big hand, please, for the boys, for the Radio Polynesians. Also, I'd like to acknowledge, like I said, we got the Fiona. You know what? You guys, they know as Moira, but she's got a high chief, big chiefs, they call Mulipola in the village. You didn't see, the girls when they do all these performance, it's like Moira used to do it in the old days. She still do it, but when she got one or two, and then she will show you. And that's the other one I remember, she can do the same things. Is at the back over there, my friend Betty Schuster from the Carl's Rentals, because she used to perform it at Aggies. And also I'd like to acknowledge my friend Dominic. Please give a big hand for
Tusia oleia pai fili atonga fawa oli yesu e mami oli ma victoria na suele no beletania paumaya saulmatan ai sena tetatai au tai mai le sue na o te paile ngaro e mata wali ai le tai sue mumula Willow Valley, I know I'm a trainer. I love Malawi. Willow Valley, I know I'm a trainer. I love Malawi. Oh, Leia, all the Tulina, Tusia, Oleia by Fili, Atonga Fawa, Oli Asu and Mani, Monima, Vitoli, and a Swale, no Beletania, Pamaya, Saulmatan, I said I take the time, no time, I yell away, now what the piling alloy, I left the zoo and Mumuna. Laune bayanga, laune bayanga, ya laune bayanga fazua siamda, oya el morenga af, au mai se lauti la le la la laune ya ba laune fonwea lau mai te mana mea, ai lo mane salturi ai lo mane awaina la sola nataina wadurele awe Lau me, we vaya vayanga Pajuati au tama Oi ai le moe ngapa Au mai te lau tia la le le Lava lava le lau me apa Le lau me Pono e a lau mai te mana mea Potai longa nei sare tuli Oi longa nei Awa ina ala ina Sola nata ina Watune le Au e lau me 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 we vayanga Pajuati au tama Oi ai le moe ngapa Au mai te lau tia la le le Lava lava le lau me Lava lava le lau me Lau me
Ole tawa luma.
Lima lunga. Oi, Fiafia, lima lunga.
Ole mali se mai mama chalofi.
Oi, sai de Tule pa yaman malo sta chotunu yo mafata sinema se tasi fa yo mafine fa lolo swa
O fonga
o Fiafia onga
o tau tu falatai o lelei
o la fa mo nga o la o Fiafia le ni lo o la nga tup wai
ya ole Siva ole Siva ngau like kimaya. I always love dancing. My passion is dancing. So ola wa like ola wa fe au mala wa ngai le Siva e fakau ile angangu e faola ile angangu en ya mafa aso pa ngai sikanga kala e fio mala Siva.